Trading made simple. Let's look at the update for the CAC index for the 18th of February. We're just going to look at the charts in our portfolio and see what's going on. Up first is AXA. AXA is at level 7. We already sold this one some time back, so we wait for the indicator to go down before we re-engage. PNP Paribas, same thing. Indicator level number 7, level 7. We have to wait until we re-engage. Credit Agricole, this one level 6. We wait until we re-engage. Danone, this one now has reached sell territory, so you can sell this one and get your profits. The CAC index is at level 7. Now this one, we have to wait until we re-engage. Louis Vuitton, this one has now come back down to buy territory. You have to be patient with these ones, but you will make your money in the end of the day. Michelin, level 7, we wait until we re-engage. And Orange is at level 10, well in the sell territory there. And L'Oreal, this one, we're still holding on to this one. Patient, level 6. And Socio General, the last one, this one is at level 7. We wait for this. And that's it. Trading made simple. CAC index.